And then this phrase in verse 2, bless the Lord, O my soul, and forget not all of his benefits. If I forget, I will be silent. If I forget, what is there to thank God for? If I lose track of the Word of God, if I lose track of the person of God, if I lose track of worship, if I lose track of time with the people of God and hearing about the goodness of God, if I forget, I will be silent. If I neglect the things of God, I will be silent. So the psalmist says, do not forget all of his benefits. If I do, my heart and my mind will simply not have things to thank God for. So here we come around to some of that language we've been using. Thanksgiving requires the discipline of remembering the good things of God. It requires it, that you and I stop and pay attention to it, that you and I write it down, that you and I express it, that you and I become aware of and thankful for all of the benefits of the Lord. It doesn't happen on accident, but it happens inside of the heart that has refused to forget how good God is.